How serious could the rumored food shortage be for hospitality industry? And then also, I want you to talk a little bit about the plant-based stuff in there that we had talked about before. Like, is that an actual option that people can go through, or do you feel that they're kind of the same thing, or they're both going to get hurt?
Let's touch on Travis's, then maybe you can re-articulate that question. But yeah, I think Travis. Now, I mean, explain again, because
I get it. It's fine.
But yeah, I mean, from what I've seen, it's, I saw, Georgia's trying to kind of reopen, but they have a huge chicken processing plant that had to close back down. I could see at least for a couple of weeks of a lag whenever the supply gets really low of us across the board all having issues, whether it's grocery stores or restaurants. Now we say, well, oh, there's not as many people going to restaurants. Yeah, but there's more people going to grocery stores now. So that supply, the supply doesn't change, right? So right. I think that's it's going to definitely be an issue. I mean, up in South Dakota, Iowa, those huge plants that I think they supply like 20% or 25% of the pork products here in the U.S. I mean, those are huge numbers. So it'll be a shortage, and I think we'll also see a spike in prices as a result. Supply and demand.
So, is there an option there for? Does it matter? Is factory basically the constant then in that? Where you and I had talked about how in Q3 and Q4 of 2019, the plant-based movement really made some big strides, Impossible and Beyond and stuff like that. But it sounds like the constant in all of this is a factory. And so you're not going to remove a factory, or the factory is going to stay in there. And so you're still going to see that kind of issue no matter the type of product that's in there. Or what do you think about that?
Yeah. I mean, at the end of the day, Beyond Beef, or Beyond Meat, Impossible Burger, those are products that are still, somewhat fresh. They have a little bit longer lifespan than a piece of cut up chicken or beef or pork, whatever. But yeah, the same issues. I think the issue is not the actual product, but it's actually getting it to the consumers.